more spots. Right here, buddy, down towards you. All right.
Okay.
Is this your first time opening up Pokemon, Carl?
Yes.
All right. How about you? I mean, Professor K. How about you, Professor C? Is this your first time opening up Pokemon?
No. I mean, yeah, no, it's not.
You look like you've done this before.
Yeah.
All right, make sure we show the cards to the camera.
So this one. This one. A trainer. Another trainer. All the trainers at the end.
Okay.
A Poliwhirl. Arcanine.
This
Make a
is
trainer.
Misty's Determination. Reverse Hollow Electric Energy. That's pretty good. We'll
Energy.
sleeve that up. Coughing.
A Sandshrew.
the Sandshrew.
A Vulpix.
Oh, we got a secret rare flying Pikachu. Go ahead, show the camera, Carl. Professor K. All right, set that over there.
Electabuzz.
We have a rare Dewgong. The other side, flip it around, Professor K.
What are they doing?
Now we have a Drowsy. Okay.
All right, wait. Sleeve up, before you open that, sleeve up the shiny card.
And then we.
Oh, we've got a break card. Nidoking break. Nice, flip it around.
That's a good one.
This is a
That one, the shiny one.
Sleeve up the shiny.
All right, sleeve up this one, Carl, over here. Give it to
Put a
Professor
sleeve.
C.
Put a sleeve in there.
Put a sleeve on it, Carl.
Yep.
Also, Carl, sleeve up the flying Pikachu. All right, and any ones that we sleeve up, we put in one stack, and then all the other ones go into another stack.
All sleeved. Okay, now put that over there.
Go ahead and make a stack of all the cards.
Sleeved right here.
We'll put the sleeved ones right there.
Next is
Here,
this.
wait, no, first stack up these cards.
Professor C,
And stack them up with
can
this
you help
over
me? Thank you, Professor.
there. Okay, Professor K, stack all those cards up.
We gotta put them all in together.
Got to put them all into the Pokedex.
Pokemon.
These ones I did not do.
It's okay.
Here.
They're just commons, but
Now you put those in a pile. Give me this. Now.
and now stack the
Right there.
Stack those. Grab that code right here. This one, yep. Put that there. Those two, yep. And put the codes in a separate stack. All right, we've got one more pack of evolutions.
Me and Carl can both open it. Ready? I'm gonna open it, and then you.
Professor K, that's me.
Yes.
What are they doing over there?
Looks like they're working on the electrical somehow. So we want to get a white code out of here. White code means we get a banger. Banger means we get a good card. But you got a pretty good card in your first one, and so did you. You got reverse hollow electric energy. That's a pretty good card.
So when are we doing this?
After we finish this pack right here.
Okay.
Okay, Carl. Listen. Ready?
All right.
Wait,
So-
so
oh, we have a
are
white
they
code.
like
We have a
keychains?
shiny one.
Oh yeah.
It was green.
Couple
That
of
was it.
shiny ones.
We have
Magikarp.
a Magikarp.
This is pretty nice.
We have a energy.
Fighting energy.
A fighting energy.
We have a.
Staryu.
A Staryu.
What is this one?
A Tangela.
A Tangela.
A Rattata.
What's the?
That's a Nidoking break card.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh!
I know. Yeah. We've got what do we got? We've got a reverse hollow Tangela.
And we have a super.
Mega Slowbro EX.
Oh,
Nice.
how did we get
We're gonna
this
sleeve
looking?
those up.
How did we get? Oh, another
No,
kind
no,
of.
that's Charmeleon. Yep, those are just regular cards.
Okay.
Stack those with the regular cards. Here,
Where's-
Landon, you want to be our official sleever?
Yeah. You sleeve that one
You
out?
sleeve up our hits and our shinies. And then we
This
have, nope, not that one. That's just a regular one. Put those with the regular stack.
I'll take the DCE energies.
What's this?
Wow.
That's a,
I've never had this.
nice.
That's so cool. Okay.
Okay, so pick up this garbage that we have so far.
Garbage. Here.
Got a constant.
You know, we
Landon.
Landon, we
got
also
a
got
breaker.
this.
We got a breaker.
We got Landon, we have a break card too.
That's mine.
Is it his?
No, it's his.
They're all mine. Okay, stack everything on the,
All the shinies.
you got the shiny stack.
This is my second time.
Okay, now
All
we
right,
open this.
Now, yep. The
This.
Sword and Shield Build and Battle Kit.
Wait, there are those cards.
Come on, Professor C.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, dude. Wait, I want to
They
open
make
the
these
box.
packages professor proof. Okay, you slide it out from the side.
Oh, I see, I see.
You just slide it right out. Yep, slide it right out. Watch, listen. Hold the top and the bottom and slide the middle out.
Oh, I know how.
Yep, push. Keep going. No. Push it down. No. Push it out like that. Push. There you go.
There you go, bro.
Alright, there should be 4 packs in there.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's just show the camera.
Let's show the camera everything we get
We
in
have
here.
a
Look at
whole bunch. We have the game, right?
That's the rule book, I
The
believe.
rule book.
And then we have a pre-constructed deck right there, which we're not going to open, but let me see which one we got. Oh, the Galarian Berserker. That's pretty good.
Okay.
And now we've got 4 packs. All
One,
right,
2 for him and 2 for me.
there you go.
You open 2, I open 2.
Okay, guys, let's see what we get. Here, Carl, move your garbage out of the way, Carl. So you got a nice clean space to work with. So I'll show you guys a secret about opening up packs. You flip open the back, and then you pull from the top and hold the sides. Yep, and then stick your finger right there. You go. All right, we gotta.
You know you're gonna bend the cards, dude. You have like this.
Hold the sides. Remember, pinch one. Yep. And then you get that little space right there. You get your finger in there. If you hold it from the sides like you did on the other one, like hold it like this. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So first, take the code card and put it with the code cards. It's in your pack. Yeah, Carl's got. Yeah, here.
Okay.
All right.
So first we got.
We've got a Goldeen
First we got.
and a big charm. There we go. And make 1 stack. Over there. Yep. Next.
We got Rosalia.
Rotom Bike and Rosalia. Nice.
Okay. Next we got Joltik.
Next we got
Metal Saucer.
Silicobra.
Silicobra. Yep.
this one.
Next we got Silicobra.
Metal Energy.
Oh, shiny.
Reverse Hollow. Yep.
We got a Blip Bug.
Yep. Metal Energy.
We got Rosalia.
Reverse Hollow.
Reverse
Nice. We'll sleeve
Hollow.
that up.
Oh,
Set that
yeah, we
aside.
have to put that in the sleeve. We have Durant.
Oh, Tyranitar. Good one, Carl. Show the camera, Carl.
We have Energy, a green one.
Yep.
We got this.
We have a Hyper Potion.
Do I put it
Yep. Over there, Carl.
in this one?
Nope. Yep.
Oh, look at that.
There you go. Yeah.
A citrus berry.
Look at this.
We have a citrus berry.
Look at this.
It's a turtle. And we have
It looks like a Corbiquire.
Cobra
Oh, reverse
Choir.
hollow Drapion. Yep. Oh, here, right by your foot. We're gonna sleeve that up.
Okay.
Over here, Carl. That one goes right here. That one goes right here,
Alright,
Carl.
let's sleeve this up.
In there.
Yeah, give me that.
All right.
Next
The rest of them, you can just stack over there, Carl.
Oi. Boy. Boy.
All right. 2 more packs in this box.
Okay.
When are we gonna open that one?
Next. Yeah, just how you were just grabbing it. Grab it like that again. Nope, from the sides. Yeah, like that. Yep. Nope. Yes. And now pull from the back. Well, like you kind of want to like pull and bend down and bend down. And now look at the space gap you have at the top. You can open it from.
All I do is just bend down that side.
Yeah,
and that
yeah.
side now I have a hole.
Yeah. Here, Carl. Professor K, let Professor C give you a hand.
What?
I made a new trick.
That is a Pokemon candy dispenser from the year 2000. Show it to the camera.
Whoa, that's a long time ago.
All right, Professor K, go through your pack.
Okay. Now the coded cards. We put the code cards. I don't want to skip through and see.
First we
The
have
code card.
We have a Galarian Ponyta. Oh, Carl has something amazing in his pack. No, Carl has something amazing. Go ahead, Carl.
We have a
keep going.
Vulpix.
we got this.
Galarian Ponyta. Yep, good job, Carl.
We have a Nickit.
A
Snobble.
snobble.
Sobble.
We got a sobble.
We have Baltoy.
We got a
Chinchu.
Yep.
We got Chinchu. Yeah, that's
Yep, show them both, Carl. Yep.
We have Krabby. We have a
Yeah,
shiny
yeah.
hollow one. I
Yep,
don't know
reverse
if
hollow group.
Reverse hollow.
Trico.
Let me
Something.
Twacky, I think.
Thwack.
Wacky.
Yep.
Then next we have
Oh no, that doesn't go in the deck. That
Yep.
goes in a
Looks like a
Santa
a Mudray.
Santa Cobra. Santaconda.
Sanaconda.
Okay,
We
yeah,
have a
one.
Fire Energy. Oh whoa, what the heck was that?
That is a.
I don't want it. It's at the end. We have Seeking.
Yep, Pollen. Yep.
Oh, we have another one, but not reverse hollow.
Yep, nice.
A Thwacky.
Thwacky, yep.
Another Thwacky. And we have
All right, what else you got? What else do you have, Carl?
we have a Lucky Egg. Look at that.
Look
We
what
have
Carl has.
a-
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A Gigantamax VMAX.
Whoa!
Wow, Snorlax Gigantamax
That's so
VMAX.
cool.
That's awesome.
Have
Let's
you?
sleeve
That's
that
your
up.
first one.
I have a couple. Yep, I have a bunch.
How do you have all these good cards? Lucky Egg.
You got Lucky Egg.
Yeah,
that's
I want to see a
Wooloo.
lucky
That's a
egg.
Wooloo. Let's sleeve that one up, Carl.
Do we put this in the deck?
Yep.
Okay. You have to leave that one up. We have to put.
Here, sleeve that one up, Carl. Give that one to Professor C.
Yeah, I sleeve it up. I sleeve
And
all
then
the
show the
shiny.
camera, Professor C, after you sleeve that one up.
Then we have this
Psychic Energy.
Psyche Energy. Next we have
Ferrothorn.
a Thorn.
Okay, 1 sleeved, 2 sleeved, and now 3 sleeved. All the sleeves.
It's a Crushing Hammer.
go right there.
A Crushing Hammer.
All right, we'll just show that to the camera again. We won't open it. We'll just, no, don't open that. We'll just show that to the camera for you guys to see.
A Crushing Hammer.
We have
Alright.
another pack.
All right, we'll set that
I can't
to the
wait
side.
to open that
All right,
one.
set that to the side. Let's throw all our garbage out into the garbage can first.
Okay.
And that's a Kingler, bud.
Do I
A
throw this one?
Kingler. We got a Kingler. Look. Kingler.
I'll throw all your garbage.
What a pretty nice card there, Professor K.
Yeah. Now I can't take one.
Okay, go ahead and close up that box right there. Yeah, close that and slide it back into the other piece. You can see this little deck right here? Yep, put that back in the box.
And then put it back in that?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Now we do.
Now we're gonna open up the Toxtricity D box.
Okay. How do I?
Right from the
I
side.
got the Fortnite Blaster magazine.
Oh, I ripped it. Oh my gosh. What kind of glue did I use for this? Holy, I just can't. It's like an envelope. Whoa! This is so big. Look at that. Okay. Now, wait. I don't want this to fall. Okay. So get.
Promo. We'll go ahead and sleeve that up.
Sleeve.
And if you just flip it over, it'll fall right up. There you go.
Whoa.
Toxtricity D promo.
Sleeve this. And on the sleeve. Okay. All sleeved up. Now. A
We've got the
giant.
jumbo card.
Fortnite.
Jumbo.
Would you like to take the jumbo card home with you?
Oh, I can't?
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to see.
Whoa.
Aww.
That's so cool. Okay, Carl, 4 packs for us.
4 packs. All right, let's see what packs we've got in here.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna open them all up. We've got Sword and Shield.
4. So we got
an
Evolution.
Evolutions.
Though there's always just
Yep,
Sword and Shield.
Cosmic Eclipse.
Smart Cosmic Eclipse.
And
And
the
Sword and Shield.
Awesome.
This is so fun.
Here, let's finish everything out the box, and then we'll put the plastic to the side. So that's a code card. Don't show the camera. Set that right down in our codes. Awesome. And then I give those codes out to people who play in my tournaments, and then that
So
way
that they can get cards
Right.
from us or.
Yep.
Wow. So they can't steal the code?
Right.
I thought those are useless.
Nope. Some of them are worth money, and I mean they're all worth money, but I try not to sell them. I try to give them out to winners who play in my tournaments.
Okay.
Sometimes people get in contact with me and they really want to buy some codes, and so I'll give them to them for a really good a good price.
We
All right,
had
we've got
Silicobra.
Silicobra again.
Silicobra. No, we had the Silla other
We
one.
had Silicobra and Siliconda last time.
Yamper.
Yamper. That's a good one.
Grookie.
Grookie Gang.
Cuffant. Another ball toy.
We got a reverse hollow of a
Lumberry. Okay, right there.
Lumberry.
Put that in the pile that we
Yep.
saw.
We'll sleeve everything at the end. Is that a holographic?
Trappian. No.
Nope, Trappin, that's just a rare.
Trappian.
Fighting
energy. Yeah.
Pokegear
a
3.0.
Pokegear. Oh, that looks cool.
Aurora Energy.
Aurora energy and
And a Ferrothorn.
Ferrothorn. Takes a lot of damage.
Alright.
I used to collect those, but I forgot. I have a binder with a whole bunch of jumbos and stuff,
Yeah.
and now it's all missing. I don't know where it went.
Does your older sister collect Pokemon?
No.
No. I heard your younger sister saying that somebody had Pokemon cards.
I used to have a whole binder, but it wasn't full, and I lost it. Like it had like 6 jumbos in it, I think. I had 2. What is it called? Like the water type ones. So like it's like a frog.
Greninja.
Yeah.
We've got something. Alright. So listen, flip the whole pack over. Put the code card up there. Alright, now move 4 cards from the back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put those in the front. No. In the front. Yep. Alright. Now, show the whole deck to the camera, and now move one card at a time. Down, 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 down.
There he showed.
Face down, face down. What do we got here? Keep going, keep going. What do we got? Oh, he's already spoiling it, people. Go ahead, keep going, keep going, keep going. I have no idea what the card is. You guys all know before I do.
Well, I think I feel it.
Oh, that tells me it's got texture. It's a full art or better. Reverse
I don't know if
hollow.
that's texture.
And what do we got? Flip it over. Flip it over. Let me see it. Oh,
Oh, it does have
Oreo
texture.
GX. Yeah, that's awesome. Go ahead, sleeve that up.
That I love the colors. That looks so cool.
Yeah, it's really, really nice magenta.
Well, how did you know that trick? The last one is always a rare one when you do 4
yes,
cards.
Yes.
Well, that's cool. Okay. Sleeve one of them. You know what I used to do? I used to put them side by side.
Yeah, but I have so many sleeves, I just like to put one in each.
Okay.
All right, next
Both
pack.
sleeved. Okay, okay.
All right, these packs are treating us pretty good today.
Seriously, I never got rare cards in packs like this. You got like a deluxe or something. I don't know what's on your cards. I would always get cards.
If you ever want to buy cards, you come and see me. That's why.
Okay, so from your spot, I can buy some from you?
Yeah.
I might start collecting again, like a lot now, like you. Okay, let's see if we have anything special.
Nothing good.
Nope.
It was a green code. All right, so
Oh, no, we
survive.
have to
Is that a
take the code.
survivor?
Oh, we don't have a code.
Oh, you already put it up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So what do we got here?
a sizzlipede.
Sizzlipede.
A
Yep.
sizzlipede.
A
A
yampa.
yamper.
Yamper.
Clobopus.
Clavopus.
Clobopus.
That's
Catoni.
cotton.
Cottony.
Go, you try.
A chudo.
Choodle. Yeah. Choodle.
Oh,
Oh,
shiny.
reverse hollow.
Raboot. Reboot.
Closer, I'm blind. Reboot, yeah.
Reboot.
Reboot.
A
Oh, and our rare,
Dreadnought.
that's our rare.
A rare Dreadnought.
Draw shot.
And a water
Energy.
energy.
And
A Pokemon catcher.
A Haunter.
A hunter.
Kanto vibes. Looks like a Vitality Band. Alright, put that stack of cards up in there.
What? That was something.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, last pack magic. And thank you to everybody who's still tuning in. Greatly appreciate it. Our last pack here, Evolutions. Let's get the magic.
Evolutions always have good. Okay. I can see this.
Oh, it's a green code. But we can still get a break card or a reverse hollow Charizard.
Okay, does it do anything?
Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's the case.
Nope.
But
Okay.
we've
A
got
Growlithe.
Growlithe,
A Growlithe.
an Onyx,
Onyx. We have so many big stats.
Nidoran,
Nidoran. I like that face.
a Poliwag,
A Poliwag. Poliwag. Oh,
a
shiny energy.
Grass Energy, and a
A rock.
Holographic Darkness Energy. All right.
That one. Do we
We'll
put this
sleeve
in
that
the
one up.
case?
Yep.
Okay.
A
Ooh,
Beedrill,
that
which
looks
is a rare.
Yeah. it is.
snapping turtle.
Yeah.
A trainer.
Whose is this, Alexander?
Another trainer.
Spirit Link,
Is this
and a
Alexander?
Switch.
A switch trainer.
Is this Alexander?
Okay, we need to sleeve this up. Now we're done. Okay, so
All right, grab the other. Thank you everybody for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Grab the other.